Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about VANMASS car clip holder for your phone. So this is what it comes with. Out of the box, it comes with a few things. So it comes with one for your dashboard, and it actually comes with another one that is for your air vent. So to assemble the one on the dashboard, it gives you a little sticky plate. So you can go ahead and put it on top of the dashboard here. What it comes with the wet wipes and the dry wipes, so you can go ahead and start assembling that. But today we're going to be doing the air vent. So the way how it comes in for the air vent, here is the actual phone case holder here. There's a little button in the back, so when you press this, it automatically opens just like that. So then you can go ahead and put your phone in here and then close it to adjust the way your width of your phone. And if you want to take it off the thing, then you can go ahead and press that button in the back again to release it. All right, so for the air vent clip, it comes with this little ball and socket joint here. So basically you're putting this ball inside of this in here, but in order for it to be sturdy and stable, we need to put this in just like that. And then once you go ahead and click in that ball first, and then after go ahead and start screwing in the little notch that it comes with. So now it's a little bit more sturdier and it's a little bit easier. Okay. So then once that ball and socket joint is assembled and is sturdy enough to stay in the air vent, it comes with this little notch. So this is open, and once we're ready to put it in and place it at a certain place, it locks just like that. So let's go ahead and open that, and we'll put this inside of a regular dandy air vent. Go ahead and put that in, and then once you're ready to go, you push it up just like that and it sticks. So then now I want it to be towards me, the driver. So then it's towards me, great. Open that up, put my phone, close that, and it's good to go.